My family did not really like cabbage, but we are advised to eat more during winter because of its richness in vitamin C, fiber, and vitamin K. Hello, welcome to Eka Farm's Lifestyle. We love food, so we try recipes we've not had before. We try food we've not eaten before. That's what we do in this channel. Thank you so much for joining. And if you're watching for the first time, so good to have you around. I'm sure you're going to enjoy yourself. Thank you so much. For our returning subscribers, God bless you. Thank you so much for always coming. God bless you. There are so many ways to enjoy cabbage, but this time we decided to wrap it up with some beef filling. Here we just put water on the fire, added a little salt, and drop in the cabbage. Few minutes later, we just turn it and remove it, have it sit inside running cold water to retain its nutrients. We add some leftover rice, so we added it to the filling. We also brought in some cheese to hold the filling together and to give the food a different taste. This is one of our homemade tomato sauce that we made earlier, still a leftover. Okay, we decided to, add them together. We add this going to a preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes on 180 degrees, and it came out so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time we upload a video. God bless you. This really came out very lovely, and my family enjoyed it. In fact, I actually plan to make another one very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye for now, and see you in our other videos. God bless you.